Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I have Nails Inc.'s newest nail polish duo called Nail Porn, and I'll be doing swatches of these two polishes as well as showing you how to create two really easy nail art designs using this duo. Anyways, let's go ahead and get on into the video. The first polish in this duo is called Dirty Girl, and this is described as a deep red that flips to a deep dark purple. So here's the first coat of Dirty Girl, and I did apply a fairly thick coat, so it is a little hard to see the purple shift, but you can totally see the purple to red shift in person. I also applied a second coat, but if you applied a thicker coat like I did, you could totally get away with just one. So here's two coats of Dirty Girl. The second polish in this duo is called Always on Top, and it's described as a complex rainbow glitter packed full of iridescent pigment that can be worn as a top coat or built up for sexy sparkle. So here's the first coat of Always on Top, and just like my other glitter polishes from Nails Inc., this is quite packed with glitter, so it's pretty opaque even on the first coat. Here's the second coat of Always on Top. It's pretty much completely opaque after two coats, but I got a little carried away, and so here is the third coat of Always on Top. Here is three coats of Always on Top. And now let's get into some nail art. This one is a really easy reverse French design, and I'm going to start off by applying Always on Top as my base color. Then I'm going to go in with Dirty Girl, and I'm going to paint my nails regularly, but I'm going to leave a little gap near my cuticle. Their signature wide hugging brush makes this design so easy to do. And you can also see that purple undertone in Dirty Girl because I'm using thinner coats. I'm going to seal this all in using Nails Inc. Kensington Caviar Top Coat. And you're done! A super easy reverse French manicure. This next design was inspired by nail storming, and it's a little more complex than the last one, but I love this one because you can really see the color shift in Always on Top when it's layered over Dirty Girl. I'm going to start with Dirty Girl as my base this time, and I'm going to let that dry completely. Once my base is completely dry, I'm going to apply 4 pieces of striping tape to my nail to create this geometric design. Then I'm going to apply Always on Top in between the pieces of striping tape. As soon as that's done, I'm going to remove the striping tape with a pair of tweezers and then seal it all in using Nails Inc. Kensington Caviar Top Coat. And that's it! I really love how Always on Top looks layered over Dirty Girl. I feel like I say this every time I try a new Nails Inc. nail polish duo, but I think that this might be my favorite one yet just because of the polishes and their color shift. It's so mesmerizing in person, and I can't stop staring at my nails. The red to purple shift in Dirty Girl is so gorgeous, and the shift in Always on Top when layered over Dirty Girl gives this gorgeous blue to pink to white glitter shift. It's so pretty in person, and I wish you could see it on camera. I'll also admit that the hollow packaging got me, and this nail polish duo is now part of my room decor. If you want to purchase the Nail Porn nail polish duo from Nails Inc., you can purchase it on the Nails Inc. website or at Sephora, and I'll try and find some links and put them in the description box below. Anyways, that's all for today's video. I hope you enjoyed watching it just as much as I had fun making this video. If you did, please be sure to like, share, and subscribe. And if you recreate either of these designs, be sure to tag me on Instagram at caramellogram so I can see. Anyways, that's all for today, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!